Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to mark your parking spot on Waze. This is very useful if you forget where you parked your vehicle. First, open the Waze app on your phone and make sure your location is on. When you reach your destination and park your vehicle, look at the Waze map screen. On the screen, tap on the blue circle or arrow that shows your current location. A small menu will pop up from the bottom. In that menu, look for the option called Save Parking or Parking. Tap on it once. That's it. Waze will automatically save your current location as your parking spot. Later, when you want to find your vehicle, open Waze again. You'll see a parking icon on the map. Tap on it, and Waze will guide you back to where you parked. You can also add notes or photos to your parking spot, like parking level or nearby landmarks if the option is available. This is how you mark and find your parking spot on Waze easily. If you found this helpful, like the video and subscribe to the channel for more simple tips. Thanks for watching.